Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to Al Huda School. My dear students, we are dealing with O level 4, and I am your teacher for English subject, and my name is Muhammad Asif Musa Mansoor. My dear students, today we are going to start unit number 1 of Oxford International English, and the name of the unit is Life Long Ago. My dear student, the word ago, it is used for past. We cannot use this word for future and present. So life long ago, this line is talking about something past. The life about the past, the things about the past, whatever the things happened in the past, this chapter will be discussing about that. Now when we talk about the past, so the word for the past normally the people use, that is called history. This is the word people use for past. Now there is one poet who has written a complete poem about the past, and one stanza from this poem I have written here, that history is also a small yesterday and mine. It is our own comic and our own curious. It is what made us a small folk, fearful, fierce and furious. My dear friend, this is the poem written by John Kitching. He is a poet and he has talked about the word history. So the first thing we have understood that this poem is about past, and the poet is talking about past, so that past is called history. The poet John Kitching, his first line is also your small past and mine. John Kitching. Past. The word past. Now look at this painting of a classroom. Look at this. What do you think? Is this painting of a classroom representing 2020's classroom, like this present era's classroom? Do you find any laptop here in this painting? Do you find proper uniform of the students in this painting? Do you find different age groups or same age groups of students in the painting? Okay, do you find some softboard material in this painting? Do you find any marker, any proper pen, pencil and sitting arrangement in this painting? Do you find any desks, any chair on which the students sit? All these questions are telling to us that these things are not present in this painting. It means this painting is about a classroom which was said before, or this is the situation of a classroom of the past, that in past people used to sit down, people did not use computer, people from different age groups could join the classroom. There were no softboard material or a marker, and you can see the situation what is going on. So this painting is talking about the past. Okay, and question number 1, look at this painting of a classroom. How do you know it is from long ago? So the hints I have given to you, those hints are telling to us that this picture is about past. Okay, the second question is, how does the painting make you feel? After watching this painting, Do you like this painting? Do you think that your classroom should be like this? Do you think you should not have a laptop in your classroom or a projector in your classroom or softboard material in a classroom? Do you want different types of small babies and big, elder students and younger students, different age group students can come and sit in your classroom without proper uniform? So all these are the feelings. What do you think about after watching this? What do you think? How do you feel about this painting? Discuss this question with your parents or with the person who is showing you this video. Now going ahead, I have given you the explanation of this part lifelong ago. It means that this picture is talking about past. When we talk about small events of the past, so that is the history. And about the history, there is a poet, John Keating. He has written a poem, and in that poem, one line is written: history is also your small yesterday and mine. Now this is the small yesterday of the classroom of your and mine as well. Going ahead, now I am giving you some homework or home assignment. What is that? The first one is write the word history on a large sheet of paper. Write different words in home languages describing the word history. Now you can write in English, what do you call history in English? What do you call history in Chinese? What do you call history in African language? What do you call history in Arabic? What do you call history in Urdu? What do you call history in Japanese? So different languages word for the word history you will be writing on this large sheet of paper. The second home assignment is discuss the word history and its benefits with your parents or the person who is showing you this video. Discuss the word history and its benefits with them. And the third question, the third thing, solve the next slide on page number 9 of your book with taking the help of your parents. Now there are 3 questions, question number A, question number B and question number C. These 3 questions are very easy questions, the easiest questions of page number 9. Question number 1, look at the words in the word cloud and match them to the meanings here. Words are written in the word cloud. This is the word cloud. These are the 3 words: centuries, decade, laws, and the meanings are written here. You will be taking the help from your parents, and this exercise is the easiest exercise. I should not tell you the answer of this. In the same way, exercise number B is also talking about 4 blanks. The question is, Annie is describing her school. Look at the pictures and use the correct words to fill the gaps. Now there are 4 blanks and there are 4 pictures. The first picture is blackboard, the second picture is abacus, the third picture is chalk, the fourth picture is slate. These are the 4 pictures and these are the 4 blanks. You will be writing the answers after understanding exercise number B. In the same way, exercise number C, it is talking about a past picture of a classroom. This is the past picture of a classroom, and the present picture of the classroom you will be having in your mind about your own classroom. So the question is, this is Annie's classroom. Does it look like yours? Work with a partner and name 3 things that are different from your classroom. Use the picture on this page to help you. Now this exercise number C is talking that you need to have a partner with you and you will be discussing this picture. You will be comparing this picture with your classroom and writing 3 points which are different from this classroom, from your classroom. I hope that you have understood this lecture for today's class. Jazakumullahu khair. I wish you all the best, and we will be meeting in our next lecture for today's class. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.